Hey guys, today I will show you how to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. So, first step is signing into your Google Ads account. After signing in, from the left menu, click the Tools and Setting option. That is the wrench icon. Then choose Conversions under the Measurement section. Then click the New Conversion Action button. Then choose a source for your conversions. Common choices include website, app, phone calls, and import for office conversion. If you select website, enter a website URL and click scan. Click add a conversion action manually. Then set up your conversion details. Name your conversion, for example, purchase, lead, etc. Choose a category like purchase, submit lead from, etc. Then set how to count conversions like every or one. Then set fixed, dynamic or none depending on your objective. Then choose other options, click through conversion window, attribution model, etc. Then click done. Then click save and continue and choose your tag setup method. Like you can use Google Tag Manager or install the tag yourself by copying the provided global site tag and event snippet, then placing them in your website's code as instructed. Then click next and done. Then test your tag using Google Tag Assistant or Google Tag Manager's preview mode to be sure everything is working. And your conversion action is now tracked. Data will appear in your Google Ads campaign report as conversions are triggered. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.